Soft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and Robotics Solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edisoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a circuit to control an RGB LED with switches. An RGB LED is a special light that has 3 tiny LEDs inside: red, green, and blue. By mixing these 3 colors in different ways, we can make many other colors, including white. An RGB LED has 4 legs, one is the cathode, and 1 leg each for red, green, and blue. Now, let's start creating the circuit. Step 1. Place a breadboard on a flat surface. Step 2. Place the RGB LED on the breadboard as shown here. Step 3. Use 3 slide switches to control the different colors of the LED. Step 4. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the 9V battery with the breadboard's power rail. Step 5. Connect a resistor to the switch so that one end is connected to the common leg of the switch and the other end to the positive line of the breadboard. Repeat this process for the rest of the switches. Step 6. Connect the red leg of the LED to any of the terminals of the switch. Connect the cathode of the LED to the negative line of the breadboard. Connect the blue leg to another switch terminal, and the green leg to the last switch. Now, it's time to see the circuit in action. Click on Start Simulation to see the working of the circuit. Slide different switches to glow the different colors using RGB LED.